See the continuation of the same. Third chapter, page number 38, problem number 7. Raja and Rani are partners in a firm, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2018 was as follows. Creditors 40,000, bills payable 20,000, general reserve 25,000, Rani's capital 60,000, 40,000, Raja's capital 60,000, totally 1 lakh. Cash 5,000, machinery 60,000, stock 25,000, debtors 23,000, less PDD 3,000. There is a new adjustment for this. Buildings 50,000, investments 20,000, profit and loss account. This is the undistributed loss of the last year. Undistributed loss of the last year. So this will be now given. We should take the amount of loss from the partners. On 1/4/2018, they admit Mantri as a new partner and offer him 1/5 share in the future profits on the following terms. Mantri has to bring in rupees 30,000 as his capital and rupees 10,000 towards goodwill. Goodwill is to be withdrawn by the old partners. Depreciate machinery by 5%, appreciate buildings by 10%. PDD is reduced to rupees 2,000. I told you new adjustments. Earlier, it is created to the extent of 3,000. Now, 1,000 is recovered. 1,000 is recovered. Only 2,000 to the extent of 2,000. We decided it is highly difficult to recover. And investments revalued rupees 25,000. It is 20,000 is there. 25,000 is the present value. Increase in the investment, that is 5,000. By buildings is 50,000. So appreciate building by 10% into 10 by 100, 5,000. Next, investments. By investments, present value is 25,000, old value is 20,000. Now net increase is 5,000. And one more is there. PDD is reduced. So by PDD there is earlier 3,000 is there, reduced to 2,000, and net gain is 1,000. 2. Machinery account depreciation 60,000 is there, into 5 by 100, that is 3,000. So now 11,000 on the credit side, on the debit side is 3,000. Net revaluation profit is 8,000. Two partners capital account. Two partners capital account. Raja, Rani, 8,000 into 3 by 5, 8,000 into 2 by 5. 4,800, 3,200, that is 8,000. Totally 11,000. Now all partners particulars Raja, rupees Rani, rupees Mantri, rupees particulars Raja, Rani, Mantri, all partners capital accounts. She said, by balance brought up 60,000, 40,000 dash by cash accounts, cash brought into the business in the form of capital by the newly appointed partner, that is Mantri, rupees 30,000 by revaluation account 4,800, 3,200, just we find out by general reserve 25,000 in 3:2, 15,000, 10,000 by profit and loss account, by goodwill account 10,000 is there in 3:2, 6,000, 4,000 debit side to profit and loss account, loss, that is 5,000 in 3:2, 3,000, 2,000 dash, lastly withdrawn to goodwill account, that is withdrawn so 6,000, 4,000, two balance carried out. Now see, $30,000 as usual. Here 40, 50, 57,200. Here 85,800. See, 85,800 minus 9,000, 76,800, 57,200 minus 6,000, that is 51,200, 30,000. Here 85,800, 57,200, 30,000. By balance brought down 76,800, 51,200, 30,000. Lastly, balance sheet. New balance sheet. After admission. Liabilities. Rupees. Assets. Rupees. Go one by one. Cash. 5,000 is there. Opening balance. Add. Monthly capital. 30,000. Add. Goodwill. 10,000. So totally 45,000 less withdrawn 10,000. So 35,000 in the outer column. 35,000 in the outer column. Next, machinery. $60,000 less 5% depreciation. 3,000. 57,000. Next, debtors. Debtors 23,000 less PDD. 3,000 minus 1,000 recovered. 3,000 is the old, 1,000 is recovered. Net we have to deduct 2,000, 21,000 in the outer column. Next, building. Buildings, 50,000 is there. And 10% appreciation. 5,000. 55,000. Investments. Directly I am writing the closing value 25,000. Or in the right 20,000 and revaluation 5,000, totally 25,000. Coming to the creditors, liability side creditors. Creditors 40,000. Bills payable. Bills payable 20,000. Capitals Raja, Rani, Mantri 76,800. 51,200. 30,000. 1,58,000. Overall 2,18,000. Two lakh 18,000. Machinery value is 60,000, 5%, 3,000. Credit side, buildings value is 50,000 into 10% appreciation, 5,000. Investments, present value is 25,000, opening value is 20,000, difference is 5,000 is increase in the investments. PDD, old created, that is 3,000, assumed that that is not recoverable, but 1,000 is recovered. Coming to the balance brought down, cash brought into the business by the newly admitted partners, that is 30,000, revaluation profit, general reserve, that is 25,000 in 3:2, goodwill 10,000, and goodwill is withdrawn by the old partners, that is 6,000, 4,000, profit and loss account, that is loss of the last year, and the balances is Raja 76,800, Rani 51,200, Mantri 30,000. Like that. Balance sheet. Cash, opening cash is 5,000. Opening cash is 5,000. Add Mantri's capital amount which is brought into the business. And goodwill 10,000, totally 45,000. Out of 45,000 cash, 10,000 is withdrawn in the form of goodwill by the old partners. The net cash is available in the business is 35,000. Machinery 60,000 minus 3,000, 57,000. Debtors 23,000 less PDD, owed 3,000 minus recovered 1,000, that is 2,000 net unreceivable, non-receivable, so that is 21,000 in the outer column. Buildings 5,000, add 10% appreciation, that is 55,000. So investments 20,000, add revaluation 5,000, 25,000. Like that. Creditors 40,000, bills payable for 20,000, capitals Raja Rani Mantri 76,800, 51,200, 30,000, that is totally 1,58,000. Total both the columns of the balance sheet is 2,18,000, 2,18,000.